These road restoration videos are exploding right now on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Millions of views, thousands of shares. And the craziest part is, most of these videos are not real construction projects at all. They are created entirely using artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these viral road restoration videos using only free AI tools, even if you have zero editing experience, zero design skills, and no prior background in video creation. If you stay till the end, you'll have a complete system that you can repeat again and again to create unlimited viral content that works perfectly for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. So let's get started. Right now, road restoration reels are going viral across social media. People love watching damaged roads magically transform into smooth, freshly paved highways. There is something extremely satisfying about before and after transformations, and AI makes it possible to create these visuals in minutes instead of months. The first thing we need is a realistic road image. For that, open Pinterest and log into your account. Once you're inside Pinterest, go to the search bar and simply type the word road. You'll instantly see hundreds of high-quality images: broken roads, damaged highways, cracked asphalt, rural roads, urban streets. Scroll slowly and choose an image that looks realistic and slightly damaged. The more imperfect the road looks, the better the transformation effect will be later. Once you find an image you like, download it to your computer in the highest quality possible. Now that we have our base image, it's time to turn imagination into reality using AI. Open Gemini AI and log into your account. Once you're inside, look for the plus icon and click on Upload Files. Upload the road image you just downloaded from Pinterest. Now go to your prompt document and copy the first prompt. Come back to Gemini AI and paste the prompt exactly as it is. Before submitting, there's one very important thing you must do. Make sure that under Tools, you have selected Create Images. This step is critical because without it, Gemini will generate text instead of images. Once everything is set, hit the Submit button and wait patiently. Gemini will take a few seconds to analyze the image and generate a brand new AI-enhanced version of the road. When the image is generated, take a moment to observe it carefully. You'll notice improvements in texture, lighting, and realism. Download this generated image to your computer. Now we move to the next phase of the transformation. Click on the plus icon again inside Gemini and upload the image you just downloaded from Pinterest. This time, copy the second prompt from your prompt document. Paste it into Gemini and hit Generate. Again, wait patiently while Gemini works its magic. Once the image is generated, you'll notice an even more advanced transformation. The road will look smoother. The surface will appear freshly restored. The realism will be significantly enhanced. Download this second generated image to your computer. At this point, you now have three important assets: the original damaged road image from Pinterest, the first AI-generated enhanced image, and the second AI-generated restored road image. Now it's time to bring these images to life. For that, open Google Flow and click on New Project. By default, you'll notice that Text to Video is selected. Make sure you switch to Frames to Video because we are converting images into a cinematic transformation video. At the bottom, you'll see two plus icons. Click on the first plus icon and upload the first image generated from Gemini AI as the starting frame. Once uploaded, adjust the aspect ratio to Portrait 9:16. This is extremely important if you want your video to perform well on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Now, upload the second image generated from Gemini AI as the next frame. Next, copy the third prompt from your prompt document. Come back to Gemini AI and paste the prompt exactly as it is. Before clicking Generate, adjust the settings carefully. Set outputs per prompt to 1. Set the aspect ratio to Portrait 9:16. And make sure the model selected is VO 3.1 fast. Once everything is set, hit Generate and wait. Google Flow will now create a smooth cinematic transition between the two images, turning them into a realistic road restoration video. When the video is generated, watch it carefully. You'll notice realistic motion, lighting changes, and a professional transformation effect. Now we create the second half of the transformation. Upload the second image generated from Gemini AI as the first frame. Then upload the original road image from Pinterest as the last frame. This creates a reverse angle transformation that adds more depth and realism to the final video. Now copy the fourth prompt from your prompt document and paste it into Google Flow. Once again, wait patiently while the video is generated. After the video is ready, preview it and make sure everything looks smooth and natural. Now download all the videos generated from Google Flow to your computer. At this stage, you have multiple short AI-generated clips. The final step is to combine them into one viral-ready reel. For this, open a free video editor called Shotcut. Shotcut works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's completely free. Once Shotcut is open, create a new project and set the resolution to 9:16 portrait. Drag and drop all the downloaded video clips onto the timeline, one after the other in proper sequence. Arrange them smoothly so the transformation feels natural and satisfying. You can add subtle background music if you want, but keep it minimal. The visual transformation itself is powerful enough to hook viewers. Once everything looks perfect, click on Export and start rendering the video. After rendering is complete, watch the final road restoration video from start to finish. You now have a viral-ready AI road restoration reel. This type of content works incredibly well because it taps into human psychology. People love transformations. People love progress. People love watching something broken become perfect. And the best part is, you can repeat this process endlessly. Different road images, different prompts, different styles. Post these videos consistently, add trending hashtags, and pair them with satisfying background music. You can grow theme pages, monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, or even sell AI content services to businesses. Before we end this video, here's a quick pro tip. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even if your first few videos don't go viral, keep posting. The algorithm rewards persistence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI content strategies like this. All the prompts used in this video are provided in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.